Is your Cadillac CT4 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2020-2024 CT4 key fob. It's a simple process you can do at home in just a few minutes. A low battery indicator may appear on your driver information center, DI. The Cadillac CT4 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This 3-volt battery provides the correct voltage for reliable operation. Available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Important, use only CR2032. Substitutes like CR2025 25 volts may cause erratic performance due to voltage differences. CR2032 batteries are widely available in packages for convenience. You'll likely only need a small flat tool, such as a small plastic pry tool, coin, or a flathead screwdriver. Using a plastic tool minimizes the risk of scratching or damaging the key fob casing. Avoid using metal tools if possible. First, locate the small seam or notch on the side of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your flat tool. Insert your flat tool into the seam and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Work slowly and methodically to ensure the casing opens without cracking. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the battery. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Properly dispose of the old lithium battery according to local regulations. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Make sure the battery is securely seated in its compartment. Carefully snap the key fob casing back together, ensuring all edges are properly aligned. Once closed, test the key fob by locking and unlocking your Cadillac CT4 from a distance of 30 to 50 feet. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and try again. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it through your vehicle's settings menu or consult your Cadillac dealer. Cold weather can affect battery performance, so preemptive replacements are wise in colder climates. If you are not comfortable doing it yourself, seek professional assistance.